Every time it hurts.
Hi guys, it's the Art of Luck, and today we are with Sai Mao. How are you doing today?
Good, more than good.
Okay, and today guys we're gonna explore the new mines. I'm gonna poop in my pants so bad. Take your items and we go. Are you ready to go for the new cave?
Sure.
You need to pack up, bro. Do you know how to pick up Labubus?
Yeah.
Okay, in today's video, our quest is to take one. And
One.
Okay, I'm here. I'm at the new cave. Okay.
I'm the only one right now. More than power, more than gold. Now I'm here. So I'm the only one. Why? What'd you?
Okay, I'm
Oh,
here.
you just scared me.
Follow me, follow me. That's here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Holy crap.
You see it?
Look, it's so cute! Cute little baby. You'll learn another one.
Oh.
What is he having like that? Oh, that's good. Where is the other one? You're
It's
so
right there, isn't
cute!
it?
You're so cute! Oh my gosh! Help me! No! No, I don't want to get killed! Help me! Help me! No! I don't want to die here! Die! We need to come in. We need to come at the base for him. Okay, let's go safe zone.
He died.
He died?
Yeah.
Let's see what